Ladies and gentlemen, as an avid do-it-by-yourself enthusiast with the passion of welding, I have always found a joy in the transforming scrap metal into a functional and artistic project. One of my favorite small-scale welding projects is crafting custom kitchen and small bees from a discarded metal pieces. I start by sourcing scrapyard or a salvaging old metal object, seeking out intricate shapes and the texture that inspire my creativity. Back in a welding workshop, I fire up my trusty welding machine and carefully weld these pieces together, incorporating unique design or the initial of personalization, each kitchen and the other nut and bolt project as you can see in this video. The process is not only hones my welding skill but also allow me to give a new life to a material that would otherwise go to a waste. It's also helped to reduce your carbon footprint. With each finished, I feel a sense of satisfaction knowing that I have turned something forgotten into a practical, beautiful, and a meaningful keepsakes. Working with scrap metal for welding project offer me endless opportunities of experiment and innovation. Beyond these projects, I enjoyed craft, miniature sculpture, decorative item, ornament, and even a small furniture pieces using scrap metals. Each project presents its own set of challenges for figuring out the best welding techniques to ensure structuring and integrity and aesthetic appeals. Whether I am creating a whimsical, beautiful structure or a sleek industrial inspired lamp and a dancing doll, the process is always a thrilling adventure of problem solving and artistic expression. However, and moreover, the satisfaction of seeing a pile of discarded metals transformed into something beautiful like this horse and the functional is truly rewarding as this robot. Through this project, I'm not only hone my welding skill but also contribute to the sustainability by repurposing material and reducing waste and also reduce your carbon footprints. Ultimately, for me, welding with scrap metal isn't just a hobby, it's a passion that fuels my creativity and the activity and allow me to leave a positive impact on both my craft and the environment. The beauty of working with scrap metal for a welding project lies in its unpredictability and the versatility. Each piece of scrap metal tells a story with its unique shape, texture, and history, waiting to be reshaped into something new, whether it's a slabs, steel beam, discarded nut bolt, car parts, or the bicycle old frame. I see potential in every piece I come across, from an intricate wall art to a functional uh, tennis player. And the process of welding scrap metal requires creativity and adaptability, as I often leave to improvise my problem solve to make the sum of the material at hand. It's a journey of discovery and the innovation, where each project is a reflection of my imagination and the craftsmanship. And as I work with my hand, fusing metal together with the spark flying, I feel a deep connection to the material and a sense of pride in repurposing. It is something both beautiful and useful. As I delve deeper into the world of welding with the scrap metal, I find myself continuously inspired the challenge of turning discarded scrap metal into a work of art. Whether it's a satisfaction and the slapping of our rusty piece and restoring the beauty of the joy and seeing the smile on the people's faces when they admire the creations. Each project bring its own sense of fulfillment as I weld, grind, and the polish. I'm reminded to be infinite possibilities that lies within even the most overlooked scrap. And in the end, as I step back to admire the finished piece, I reminded of the transformative power of creativity and the craftsmanship. With every project completed, I not only leave my mark on the world but also leave behind a legacy of inequality and the resourcefulness. In conclusion, welding with scrap metal isn't just a hobby or a craft, it's a journey of exploration of creativity and the innovation. It's about seeing potential where others are waste, and it's about transforming discarded metal into something meaningful and beautiful. With each project, I learn, I grow, and I leave a positive impact on both my surrounding and myself. And as I continue to this journey, I am excited to see it lead me to the next, fueled by the passion, curiosity, and the endless possibilities of scrap metal.